Huawei Precision Air Conditioner Introduction. Common auxiliary of a refrigeration system. This section will introduce the main parts of a refrigeration system. The first is the oil-gas separator. Lubricant can reduce friction and protect the compressor. And when the compressor releases gas, it may remove some of the lubricant. In order to separate the lubricant from the refrigerant and return the lubricant to the compressor, we need an oil-gas separator. This picture shows an oil-gas separator. The next part is the liquid storage tank, which is installed between the compressor and expansion valve. It's used to store excessive refrigerant in the system and guarantee that the refrigerant entering the expansion valve is liquid. As the refrigerant flow can be regulated, when the refrigerant flow is low, due to the low thermal load, the excessive refrigerant will be stored in the liquid storage tank, as shown in this picture. Now we come to the filter dryer, which has two functions: to absorb water and filter out impurities in the refrigeration system. It's also connected to the condenser. Sight glasses are used to check whether water is present in the refrigeration system and to observe the state of refrigerant. If there is water in system, the sight glasses will become yellow. If water is not present in system, the sight glasses are green. In addition, if there are white bubbles in the sight glasses, it means the system is low on refrigerant, which needs to be refilled. The solenoid valve is used to prevent slugging due to the migration of refrigerant when the air conditioning unit is powered off. If there is no solenoid valve, then when the air conditioner is suddenly stopped, the liquid refrigerant will flow into the evaporator. Then, the next time the air conditioner is started, the liquid refrigerant will enter into the compressor, damaging it. Other parts of the system include a high pressure switch, temperature sensor, pressure sensor, and more. The high pressure switch is used to protect the system. When the exhaust pressure becomes very high, the switch will stop the system and deliver a signal to the main board, which will trigger an alarm. The temperature sensor can detect the system temperature. The pressure sensor can detect the system pressure. The temperature switch, like the high pressure switch, is also used to protect the system. When the temperature becomes too low or too high, the switch will stop the system and deliver a signal to the main board, which will trigger an alarm. The differential pressure switch is located behind the air conditioner. It can detect the difference in pressure between the two sides of the air filter. If the pressure difference is greater than a certain value, it will trigger an alarm. Of course, this value can be preset. The last part is the condensate pump, which is optional. If the water drainage pipes are routed from the top, we must use a condensate pump. However, if the water drainage pipes are routed from the bottom, then the condensate pump is not necessary. That's all for this section. Thanks for watching.